Welcome to AvePoint Online Services bite-sized tutorials. Today it's all about Express Recovery, our simplified way to quickly back up and restore your Microsoft 365 data. Today's quick tutorial, we're going to go from setup to backup by following the setup wizard. If you've already been using cloud backup, a lot of this is going to feel familiar, but it's just going to be a little bit quicker to set up and get your backups going. First, let's connect your Microsoft 365 tenant. To do so, from the landing page, navigate to Management and then Tenant Management and Connect Tenant. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 Global Administrator so that you can grant access. Once connected, head back over to Management and then App Management and then hit Create. Here, we're going to select Cloud Backup for Microsoft 365 and then hit Next. The setup method for Express Recovery is simplified into Modern Mode, which allows you to hit Next and then Consent next to Cloud Backup Express. Please note if you're backing up Microsoft Exchange data, there's an additional step in applying the Microsoft Exchange role in Entra ID. Doing so is simple. We're going to log into the Entra Admin Center and then head over to Entra ID. From here, we're going to head over to Roles and Administrators and search for the Exchange Administrator role. Click on Add Assignments, select Members, and then search for the AvePoint app. After our app profile is set up, we want to set up our scan profiles for our workloads. To do so, we're going to go under Auto Discovery, Scan Profiles, and hit Create. Here, we're going to select all of the workloads we want to protect. For this example, I'm going to use SharePoint, Exchange, and OneDrive. You'll have a few custom options that you can select on the following screen, as well as when you want to do your daily scan for your backup jobs. Once you've selected your workloads, you can choose either Express or Advanced mode for the scan type. Express mode is very simplified. It puts everything into a default container, so all Exchange items into an Exchange container, OneDrive into OneDrive, SharePoint into SharePoint. Advanced mode lets you use rules to set up multiple containers for each workload depending on Entra values, as well as putting all excluded objects into a separate container. For the purposes of this video, we're going to use Express mode, but please feel free to mess around with the Advanced mode rule set. It's complete, and do one final review of your setup, and then hit Save and Run. Once complete, now we scope our backup. Each workload can be toggled on or off. The actual scope can be as simple as having all objects and all scopes and all containers being backed up. Or if you messed around with those advanced settings, you can select which containers get backed up and which to be excluded. The first time that you do this, you'll get these little hourglasses indicating that the job is initializing and then will be kicked off once the initialization is complete. The check mark indicates that the job has completed. And as always, you can use the job monitor to monitor the progress of your job, as well as fix any potential errors that may happen during your backup. And with that, you're all set up for Express Recovery. Now, backup is only half the battle. The tool is also capable of restore. So if you haven't already, please check out our YouTube channel, as well as our brand new knowledge base, learn.avepoint.com, for more information.